Going back to this issue of whether or not we even have the ability to burn fat when our insulin levels are elevated, which happens when your fat programs are on, there's a good strategy in the beginning to get your body to burn fat, and that is by eating your food during the day rather than at night. Because if you eat your food during the day rather than at night, then at night your insulin levels start to lower, and you go long enough so that your insulin levels lower and your body can start burning fat. But if you eat your food at night before you go to sleep, your insulin levels stay up all night, elevated all night, and you're making fat all night. So you could be eating the same amount, and in one scenario you're making fat all night, and the other scenario you're burning fat all night. But it's the same amount of food. So if you can just train yourself to eat during the day more than eating at night, and maybe have an earlier dinner and a lighter dinner, but you have a really nice big breakfast and a big lunch, and that's why I say start with having a big breakfast, because it shifts your hunger habits so that over time you'll start being hungry in the morning rather than at night. Drink water at nights, and then you'll start to burn fat as you sleep. And it's a great scenario because you don't feel hungry anymore because you have gotten your food for the day. You are nourishing yourself. You're not hungry anymore, and you're burning fat versus making fat, and you're eating the same amount. So it's a great scenario.